I've created this link tree so you guys know where to go. If you want to support me as a creator and send in tips and a thank you message, you can do so through the support me section. If you want to private message me about the course or the mentorship, it's through the Twitter section. Thank you guys. We just had a fundamental news event in the last 15 minutes and it looks like it's trying to tank the market. Well, we had these clues earlier last night where I entered some shorts on some indexes such as the Nasdaq, so Dow and Nasdaq in one, the Nasdaq and the Dow, and they are continuing down. And of course, if they've got some selling pressure on the lower time frames, we're going to see this across cryptos, and we're seeing Bitcoin on the lower time frames like the 15-minute going down and Quant just starting to. So let's see how the daily closes. I'm going to start on the daily time frame over here. We're still under this bear market resistance, which is going to continue with this downward selling pressure, but equally in the last few updates I've drawn out some key levels such as this gold box, which is our golden pocket. For now I'll get rid of this, but we can see that we've come down to the 0 fib, pumped into the golden pocket, and it looks like we're rejecting it for a dead cat bounce sort of scenario or descending triangle over here, which I've already given in the last 3-4 updates. The target, if we were to ever lose $132, you could wait for that wick to be lost, to be honest guys, which would be $126. Now this would signal a dump towards 100, but we can invalidate that simply because we have the golden pocket over here. So now I'm going to get rid of these other fibs. I'll add them back in a second, but you see between the 0.5 and the 0.618, this is a key area of support that we can afford to come down into and still head up higher afterwards. What I would like to see afterwards is us to finally take out that old golden pocket. Now I'm going to place them back on, and we can see after the rejection what should happen with any Fibonacci. This is the expected path, but it doesn't mean it has to take it. Push, exhaust, continuation, right? That's every time you use the fibs, this is what should happen. But you could create the reversal wave by getting above the golden pocket and heading up higher. So that's why I was preparing you guys for that. But you can still do that case. Although right now we're rejected, we're coming back down to the 0 fib level. Are we below $126? No. So it could be that we're just retracing to $126. And when we get there, towards there, anywhere between 126 and 130, then we could start coming back up. And if we can tackle the yellow line and the golden box and flip it into support, then we can continue up. So that's what it could have done over here. It chose to retrace. This is a push in itself. It's going to have a golden pocket, so I'll even measure that for you. It will prepare you with bearish targets as well, which are the ones I've just mentioned, because the technical target, that's all we need. We need just price action. Price action is saying we're coming to 101. Look at that exactly on the 2414. So I've just layered an indicator on top that's already agreeing with my price action trading. So I didn't need the indicator to tell me we're going down there. I've done that without, and then I've put an indicator on that agrees with me. And that makes sense because look, another indicator is agreeing with me, saying the 200 EMA is exactly in line with the 1 fib level, and if we lose this 1 fib level, that's when you validate these targets. Also equally, once we lose the 1 fib level, that's breaking the low, that's breaking the 200 daily moving average uptrend, so you go into a downtrend to the last low over here, and then from there we'll get this bounce, and then we'll see. We have to take it step by step, because it doesn't mean just because we're coming down here we're going lower than this level. Once we approach this level, we will bounce from it, okay, at least in the short term. Then it will decide. You can see when we lost this green line, we went to that one, and when you didn't lose it, you went back up to the old one. So if we do lose this green line in this gold box, this is the range we're now trapped in, between 100 and 130. Do you understand that? But as we are still above 126, 130, it's going to give us these chances of breaking up. You see how the target to the downside is down to 100, and I got it from here. Well, equally, if we start to break the range highs, it's the same target, and that's talking about a $200 target potentially going forward. But yeah, equally, we just need to wait and react rather than trying to predict. Of course, the predictors, they'd be trying to, it'd be very confusing because you're under the bear market box signaling bearish pressure, but you're above the golden pocket and key resistance now a support, which is bullish pressure. So if you're trying to predict where it's going, it's literally 50-50. Let's just prepare for both ways. And then instead of having a bias, oh, it's only going up, or oh, it's only going down, we just prepare for both. So we've just seen that it could be going to 200 or it could be going to 100 from current price, but we need to break the range low and we need to break the range high for these to occur. And so at the moment we're just consolidating in this range, and without breaking 126 or without breaking 150 to 160, nothing's going to happen. We're going to be trapped as we've been doing the last weeks. What I've noticed is I do like to compare charts, and Quant is literally mirroring XRP. I know it's not an XRP video, but it's literally mirroring XRP pretty much, the moves. Even this rally up to here in the top and this section over here is pretty like I'll just show you. It's like a spitting image basically. So the rally, and then yeah, we're putting in this lower high at the moment to go down. Hopefully we can actually push through it. Yes, we can come down, reset. We can even come down to here and still go ahead and try and break. And it looks quite similar. Can you see? It looks very similar, that head and shoulders pattern, where we come down from a double bottom on Quant and we came down from a double bottom on XRP. Just a very violent wick. But yeah, it's just something that I wanted to mention to you guys because I was looking at charts and yeah, they were pretty similar. But continuing on with the update, I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Again, hit that link tree so you can either support me as a creator or simply start the course or the mentorship and be part of that group chat, which again, in the last week, we shared 2 cryptos that doubled in price. Again, just hit that link tree and it will take you to Twitter. Well, you click the Twitter link, sorry. But yeah, other than that, there's not much more to say. The fundamental news event today is dumping price. But yeah, we're still above this key area of support, which is going to give us this opportunity of heading back to the range high. Because we're under the bear market box, it seems as the bears are still in power and they're trying to force us down as much as possible. Can the bulls wake up and invalidate this? This is the next step. But for the moment, we are still retracing down. We just need to see a reversal. So that would mean like we need to actually see price stop going down and actually see it actually going up. We need to see price stopping sideways and up. That's what we need to see in this region over here between the gold and the green box. Otherwise, if we're just pushing through, we have our targets to the downside prepared. Thank you guys so much. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think is coming next? $100 or $200? Which will come first, or which is not happening, or which one is going to happen? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. Again, leave a like, comment, and share the video because the algorithm is so trash nowadays. And yeah, of course, subscribe. But yeah, follow my new Twitter, Louis Vibes _ it's all in that link tree down below. Do follow me there for further updates during the day. Thank you guys.